Feel like YouTube ignores everything you upload? 2 seconds here could transform your creative future. 0 views? 0 likes? Why post again tonight? Quiet, forgotten videos are secretly constructing the breakthrough moment your future audience will celebrate. Tonight we unpack mindset for free AI tools and a long-game roadmap for unstoppable growth. First, unbreakable rule. Pursue disciplined repetitions, not results, because mastery compounds each upload you publish. Nobody plays Mozart perfectly on day one. Consistent practice under pressure births every legendary creator. Every upload is practice for rhythm, engaging hooks, pacing edits, confident delivery, thumbnail psychology. Improve 1% each video. Compounded effort becomes incredible progress over surprisingly short timelines. Tiny steps today build the staircase your future self will stand upon proudly tomorrow morning. Stop obsessing over view counts. Obsess instead over sharpening creative skills no algorithm can ignore. Algorithms are impartial machines. Feed them patterns, frequency, improvement, and they reward disciplined creators. More uploads provide data, training YouTube, which viewers resonate with your style, expertise, and energy. 3 lonely videos are insufficient for YouTube to understand, categorize, and recommend your developing channel. If this message gives you hope, tap like. Your click powers our small channel. Every new video is a deposit into creative independence and trust with loyal viewers. Regular deposits accumulate momentum. Suddenly, results compound faster than seems logically possible during struggles. 20-20-5 gifts creators free AI shortcuts, slashing production hours, and freeing energy for promotion. Here is your free creator arsenal. 4 powerful tools cost nothing yet save production hours. ChatGPT, an easy, instantly brainstorm magnetic hooks, structured outlines, descriptions, persuasive call to actions. DALL or Mid-Journey generate bold branded thumbnails in seconds, dramatically boosting click-through rates. CapCut Instant AI assembles cinematic timelines overnight, freeing you for community engagement and creativity. ElevenLabs delivers studio-quality narration, no microphones or booths required, so every video sounds professional. Back in 2020, you needed crew. Disciplined creators now wield AI workflows and outperform big teams. AI isn't magic. You must post consistently each week to earn confidence and trust. Begin our shared 30-day 10-video challenge now, cementing habits while testing topics and refining workflows. Week 1, choose a topic you love. Clear passion attracts the right committed viewers quickly. Week 2, batch write irresistible hooks using ChatGPT. Never confront a blank writing page again. Week 3, film 3 videos one afternoon. Momentum grows when cameras power down less often. Week 4, refine each thumbnail using click-through data. Design decisions become objective, never guesswork. Track speed and skill, not vanity views. Metrics signal sustainable creative success over long term. Silence never equals failure. Quiet stretches strengthen patience, reflection, and strategic thinking for creators. Resilience developed during lonely uploads becomes your unfair advantage once fickle competition eventually burns out. Applause arrives later. Inner growth begins immediately and compounds quietly beneath every video you publish. Audience-first service starts after you clarify goals, values, and vision inside your creator journal. Post your way to clarity. Analysis alone never replaces feedback from real human viewers worldwide. Most creators quit during month 6. Your discipline through that valley already propels you forward. Post during quiet nights. Gritty repetition develops discipline algorithms eventually recognize and generously reward. Grit becomes trust, and trust attracts subscribers eager to binge your archived content continuously. Breakthroughs feel ordinary. Random Tuesday spike on a nearly deleted video can transform everything. Luck favors persistent creators. Remain consistent until probabilities tilt decisively toward your growing channel. Early flops become priceless parts of your authentic origin story admired by newcomers binging later. Never delete imperfect work. Your stepping stones prove you earned every subscriber watching gratefully today. Recap: disciplined reps, objective data, free AI tools, and 30-day challenge fuel unstoppable momentum. Halfway checkpoints. Celebrate huge learning gains. Momentum builds behind every published experiment you uploaded earlier. Next, attach AI wheels to your bicycle and sprint confidently toward a strong finish line. Before claiming your bonuses, please support us by hitting subscribe and like. It motivates us to craft more guides for you. Now unlock the final growth hack in 3, 2, 1. 2. One stay until countdown ends for revelation. Take a calming sip. The biggest practical insight arrives in the very next transformative frame. Grab your calendar and pen. Scheduling blocks time. Defeating procrastination before excuses even appear. Schedule 10 dedicated filming sessions tonight. Tangible promises outshine vague intentions, protecting momentum. Concrete commitments beat airy dreams. Your calendar now displays proof against future creative excuses. Need accountability? Share your plan below so community peers cheer, remind, and push you forward. We are building SmartAiDigi beside you. Zero gurus, only learners growing stronger together each upload. Your turn. Record courageously, embrace imperfection, and finally upload that hesitant draft tonight. Remember the +1% rule. Tiny improvements snowball into extraordinary mastery across time. AI wheels accelerate creation, yet you must pedal with curiosity, focus, and deliberate effort daily. Keep pedaling forward. Each mile becomes smoother, faster, and more enjoyable than previous creative rides. Visualize your channel next year showcasing 10,000 subscribers, binging every helpful piece you publish. That future starts with tonight's upload. Press publish before self-doubt whispers excuses into thoughts. Subscribe now. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter, share wins, in comments to inspire beginners following behind. Your supportive click today changes both journeys. Gratitude fuels additional videos crafted specifically for you. Keep posting, keep learning, keep iterating. Momentum grows where consistent action meets reflection each week. Trust data and disciplined habits. Together they create sustainable creative success for the long run. Meet me in the comments, friend. Let's grow, collaborate, and celebrate milestones openly together. SmartAiDigi, signing off. New discoveries await inside the next video, dropping very soon. Stay tuned. Want more game-changing AI tools like this? Hit follow and subscribe, tag a friend, and drop the word prompt in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.